Hi, grade 6, Qatari syllabus. Today it will be, I will start module 4 in your book, Top Stars, grade 6. But before I will go to our unit, our module today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our module today. Today I will start module 4 in your book, Top Stars. Let's go to this unit. Here we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Here is we say postman, escalator. Here is here is escalator. Here is postman, escalator. Here is photo. Here is photographer. Here is photographer. Here is park, businessman, picnic. We have here secretary. Here is secretary. Square. Here is secretary and square. Reporter, coffee, university, kite park. Here is kite park. Here is office, aquarium, learn language, market, order, seed, pill, green, bean. Here is mushroom. I think all of us know mushroom. Here is grow. Here is pepper, soil, meatballs. I think meatballs is known in Arabic. We all know these meatballs as kofta in Arabic. This is called meatballs. Here is plant, sauce, earthquake. Here is tuna. Here is tsunami. Here is tsunami. Here is olive, flute, cross the street, wave, ticket, coast. Here is line. Here is left. Here is bicycle lane. Here is surface. Here is surface. Here is surface. Here is bicycle rate. Here is a bicycle rate. Natural disaster. I think natural disaster. I think all of us know natural disasters. Okay. Traffic lights, damage, pavement, destroy. Let's go to have phonics here. Here is we have rural and June. Here we have rural and June, scuba. Here is rural, June, and scuba. Here is computer, museum, uniform. Computer, museum, uniform. Let's go to another item here. Here is we talk here in this module, we talk about models, and we know that models must be followed by the infinitive form. Here we talk, here is the model, has two, doesn't have two, negative, must we use must for what? For the obligation. Mustn't means don't do this thing, the negative of the obligation. Here is can't is describing ability, and cannot is the negative of this ability. Let's study this example together to know more about these models. Here is have. For here is the pronouns that take have. It will be are you with they. The pronouns take has. It will be he, she, it. I think all of us know this. Here is does with he, she, it. Don't with are you with they. Let's read these examples to know more about these models. The boys have to wake up at 8 o'clock. So he must, so the boys wake up. This is the appointment that the boys must wake up. He to be here, have to wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. She has to leave early today. The boys don't have to go to school today. It's Friday, so here is off. Friday means the school off. Mom doesn't have to cook today. We will eat out. I must repair the roof before winter comes. You mustn't park here. So here is this is the place that I think of that the cars of the building only that can park here. So here when we say you mustn't park here, so this means this park is for the people who live in this building. So mustn't park here. We can't go to the park now. It's dark outside. You can't use the equipment. It isn't ours. Let's go to another item here. Here is we say invitation means I invite someone to my birthday party, or I invite someone to an event, or invite someone to have something, and so on. So this is called the invitation. When we describing the invitation, we use the expression would you like to. So here we say, would you like to come to the book fair with me, or would you come to the park with me? All these called what? Called invitations. Here is we have the polite accepting and polite refusing. Here is accepting and polite refusing. Let's know the difference between these in these cases. Here we have sure. When I want to accept this invitation, I say sure, good, great idea. I would love to. Sure, why not? That would be nice. So here this describing accepting the idea or the invitation that you invite me for this thing. So when I refuse, I don't refuse in impolite way or in disrespect. Refusing by what? In polite way, like this. No, thanks, I don't think so. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm afraid I'm busy. I'm sorry, I have got other plans. Here is today we end from module 4. Next class I will start module 5. I hope to be fit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.